outside zone, just right at the edge there. And Marcial makes an adjustment as he starts to gain proximity.
Getting beat that time again.
Yeah, it is.
You don't even know what I'm talking about.
I'm just agreeing with you.
Talking about weed eating in the yard.
Yeah.
You.
Is he gaming?
The fuck yeah, he's gaming. Of course he's gaming.
You want to see some parts?
Do I want to see some parts?
Yeah. Oh man, that's a lot of parts.
Oh, we're already. Oh, okay.
Dun dun dun. What you got there, Bull?
Ooh. Damn.
Plum Crazy Purple harnesses. 6 point to go with the OMPs.
I'm gonna plum crazy purple someone's girlfriend tonight.
Are you done? Them seat platforms, I believe.
Sweep that up.
Is that a Sparko? What?
Goals.
That's a nice little piece.
This is a nice piece. Aiden.
Where did it go?
It? Aiden. Come here real quick.
Well, it's not your child. It's not my child. It's our, it's our slave labor.
Aiden. Peek your head around the corner. That's not our kid. Chris!
Money box? See what? So, yep. In case you didn't know, those are for me.
Okay.
I didn't get any for you.
It's because that passenger seat's not gonna move. I'm gonna sit there and
You're gonna
pick
sit
up
there.
bitches on your driver mod.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
You're
this
gonna-
is the dad. We found him.
Oh, he owns the slave that we saw earlier.
Hell yeah! Get
All-
back to sleeping,
All
mother.
3 of them.
Oh
All
yeah.
3 of them. Where's the foot? Oh wait.
Yeah, that one too.
Are you still going? Cause
On the way.
I need to make an announcement.
Pending.
If you've ever met anybody,
pending?
It hasn't posted.
Your
to the
transaction's
account
pending?
yet. It hasn't posted to my
Fucking
account yet.
Oh my god.
pull-out game worse than Dave Womble.
Oh, okay. This is not one of those boxes. I didn't order that.
Did you already?
Where's the other slave? Yeah, that one
Oh,
is one of the expensive boxes.
bro, did you just?
You can't make fun of pull-out game Dave Womble unless you're willing to pull these parts out.
Dude, I'm 100% gonna pull all these parts out after I break everything.
Did you just whistle at the slaves?
Yeah, watch.
Oh man.
Yo, they fucking came too.
They always do.
So I lied.
Yeah, what do you mean?
Dude, look at them. They're like fucking pack of puppies.
Yeah, toss that stuff.
Oh my god. Are you just dropping my parts?
Fuck yeah, I am, dude. I almost hurt my fucking toe.
I hate you.
There.
Oh, that was some connection there.
I'm gonna have to delete this child abuse.
Dude, right? We're in here beating fucking Chris's kids.
Oh, y'all almost look alike. It's weird.
Here, Aiden, you gotta unlock the door.
Oh, there's a lock on it now?
Yeah, I'm
oh
so
my
sorry.
god.
I'm so sorry, I forgot about that.
Don't walk out there, goat heads! That's gonna suck.
Oh.
Red.
Rest
It's
in
the
peace.
red.
Oh, shit. Aren't those pretty?
These Lupe Fiasco ones.
Are you done?
What, SLR and SLR2?
What? Lupe?
Lupe Fiasco, yeah. He had
You look like you'd be a Lupe.
a diss track with SLR. Yeah, it was great.
I
You should
don't-
listen to it. Check it out.
I don't know what that means. Dun, 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 dun. Control arms. Lollipops. Douchebags. Big box. BC Racing. Hey, stickers! Yeah. Slap up the drift car.
Slap up your sister.
Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Oh, man.
She doesn't watch YouTube, does she?
Let's see. My sister's a millennial, so probably.
She doesn't watch your YouTube because you're fucking. She's not into cars.
Yeah, she's also not into me. I'm pretty sure she hates me.
Oh, she's really not gonna like me.
Tony and her?
Tony's into anything with a heartbeat and a hole.
That's a lie. I'm reformed.
So it's just like, Dave.
So,
Doesn't even need a hole now.
BC, BR type, 32-way adjustable dampening, full height adjustment. Unfortunately, thanks to this being an E30. Do you know what's special about E30 coilovers?
Oh, well, I'm not gonna ask what because you're gonna tell me.
Because it's really stupid. You want to hear it?
What?
They have to get welded into the car. They don't just get installed.
F.
F.
Where's LMM talk?
Togaf.
Oh, gaff.
More stuff from Sikky. I should have just given them my damn routing number at this point. Yeah. Y'all like welds? Do you like pretty welds? You want to look at some pretty welds there, bud? You Asians like your welds, right?
He looks at him every day when he's over at Brent McKee's. He owns Southern Arizona Limited.
You mean
Great fabrication specialist.
best fabricator in Tucson, Arizona?
Big facts.
Big facts.
Yes, he is.
Yeah, these are pretty. So as I mentioned in another video, we were going to do fender exit exhaust, courtesy of Jeremy. That didn't go according to plan because Formula Drift Rulebook says that exhaust has to go all the way to the rear axle. So guess what? We bought $1,400 headers and a steering shaft to clear the headers, all because
So-
of Formula D's stupid fucking rules.
I mean, the rules are stupid, but the drift bitches are gonna be in plentiful when Dylan starts driving. So I'm cool with
That's
that.
piece to the puzzle. Yeah, that's comfy.
These are huge. These are fucking so comfortable. These should be mandatory in every single car.
So OMP Racing WRCRs, the extra large seat for the thick boys like ourselves. Thick.
I am thick. I'm big thick. Thick. It's only with 2 C's, but I mean, I guess camera adds 3,500 pounds apparently.
That's all good. I've been told I'm thick with 2.5 C's. It's all good though.
Might be fat, but my dick work.
Hashtag Daniel Cormier, DC. DC to match the BCs. Anyway, now that all the rest of these parts are here, this was the last bit of shit we were waiting on for Big Time to actually start labor on the car instead of just dropping $20,000 on parts. Stacking parts. My room has been a mess of just boxes. And now I have time to move. So tomorrow morning, parts are going to Big Time. Stay tuned.
Remember, everybody, wash your pussies, stay black.
There she blows. Now they're dropping off the last bit of the suspension stuff. Matt can get started on the car, drop the subframes out, do all the garagistic reinforcements throughout the whole chassis. Install that Sikky kit and the E36 rack. It is going to be one cramped engine bay. OMP seats going in. Still got to finish gutting the rest of this thing. Clean everything up, get it ready. Still going to maintain the sunroof with the roll cage. That's important. Smoke's got to have somewhere to go, right? Big excited.